Hello everyone! Today we're going to show you how to apply for CEMS Master's Program in International Management. When you go to Corvinus website, please go to the Program section and choose CEMS. After this, you will be directed to the CEMS landing page. Please scroll down and search for the How Do I Apply section. After you find How Do I Apply, please read through. After this, please click on CEMS Online Application button, and you will be directed to the CEMS website.
Find Hungary and click Register. Your home school ID number is your Neptune code. Please add that. Your last and first name should be the ones you have on your ID card. Please put your personal, meaning the non-Corvinus email address in the field so that the host university can contact you even after your graduation at Corvinus. After validating the form, open your emails to see the password they provided to you. Now use your email address and the given password to log in. Finish completing your personal information with your current address. After filling in all your personal data, please select the master program you're currently studying. Giving your name of degree is also required in the process. GMAT score is not required, you can leave that out. Now choose the language exam you have. If you have Corvinus language exam, choose accredited school course. If you haven't had language exam, choose result expanding. If you did your bachelor in English at Corvinus, or in a CEMS partner school, or in an English-speaking country, or in an EQIS or AACSB accredited institution, choose university degree. Your second language should be your mother tongue. The system will ask you to hand in a mother tongue declaration, but you will only need to do that when you have been accepted to the CEMS program. Your third language can be the language you are submitting an extra language exam for example, German, French, or Italian. Here you should choose commercial language exam. Please select which semester you would like to spend abroad. If you don't mind which, select either term. You need to upload 15 schools for your semester abroad. When you put together your preference list, consider the special language requirements of LCE, USYD, and NUS. Please note that these institutions do not accept Corvinus language exams. If you put these universities on your preference list, you must have one of the exams required. Choose which of the following has a higher priority for you, then add the year when you expect to graduate from CEMS. For you, it will be 2026. Please upload all the documents for CEMS application here. You should upload your motivational video link in a separate document. When you are ready, push the Validate button. At the end of the process, you should get a confirmation email. If you don't receive your confirmation email, your exception was not successfully completed.
You need to apply for the Pannonia Scholarship between the 17th of November till the 1st of December. The second step will be from December 8th till the 8th of January. And do not forget to complete both steps of Pannonia application in Neptune. We wish you a really nice day and good luck. Goodbye!